Hey there, uh, welcome to Insect Encounter. It's morning time, and I have something special to show you. Here, here we go. Yeah, this is small. I mean, small hive of common honeybees. You can see this. Okay, definitely. This now working. I mean, can you see this? Okay. I mean, these are not giants. They are so gentle, but if you disturb them, they can do harm to you. But okay, I mean, just look at this. They're all working, making their hive, and I think the honey is not formed yet. Okay, let me show you from rear cam. You can see the honey there. The honeybees making their hive, and yeah, this one. There, the honey full inside these. There are a little storage of honey. If you have any straw, you can just put in and suck all that honey they gather. Their team gathers, and you can get just easily, but theft, stolen. I mean, it's not a good thing, but yeah, sometimes people do. We do. We collect honeys like this because only honeybees can make honey. No one else can. So yeah, definitely. But just look at them. Just there's a way out, bro. And the honey is just in front of me. And yeah, okay. I'm not doing anything, I mean, harm to them because I'm an insect enthusiast. And let's go. Yeah, these are heading down the forest, and there's the morning sun. This is the morning sun. Okay, bye bye for now, and we'll meet with another insect.